Guys, welcome back with Twentse 3D experience, and what we have got today on the door, the K2 Plus Combo. It's a really heavy box. You can see that now on the video. We're gonna now put the box open. It's easy. We click this out. The tape gone. So we have opened the box. I'm gonna put that away. This printer is so heavy, we have put them with 2 persons on the desk. It's unbelievable. I had that never ever with Creality, but we're gonna show its quality. First we're gonna put all the plastic off. That is really nice from Creality to put 4 rolls filament, then you can always try directly the printer. Then you have not wait on your filament what you ordered.